Welcome to Money Mindset 1011, the channel that shows you how real wealth is built, one smart decision at a time. Today, we're diving into a truth that might surprise you. Frugality is the secret weapon of millionaires. Let's break down why the rich don't live like they're rich, and how you can use the same mindset to build your own wealth. Part 1. The Millionaire Myth. Most people think millionaires drive Lamborghinis, live in mansions, and wear designer clothes every day. But in reality, most millionaires live below their means. They drive regular cars, shop with intention, avoid debt, because they know wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Part 2. Frugality is freedom. Frugality isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. Millionaires don't waste money on things that don't give long-term value. They don't fall into the trap of impressing others. They focus on freedom. And when you're free from debt, overspending, and money stress, you can take real risks, start businesses, and invest more. Part 3. The power of saving and investing. The average millionaire saves over 20% of their income. They use that money to buy assets, stocks, real estate, businesses, not just stuff. And because of compounding, their wealth keeps growing while they sleep. Frugality fuels investing, and investing builds wealth. Part 4. The millionaire mindset you need. Frugal people ask one powerful question: do I really need this? They delay gratification. They value peace of mind over short-term pleasure. And that mindset creates a foundation for long-term success. So if you want to become a millionaire, start acting like one today. Live below your means. Spend with intention. Save and invest consistently. Frugality isn't a sacrifice, it's a strategy. If this video helps shift your mindset, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Mindset 1011. More practical tips are on the way. See you in the next videos.